Do you know how you can repair the TV yourself? Hello my friends, in this video I want to explain to you about one of the common causes of board failure, which is the cold soldering of the joints. Stay with me. Components in a PCB are placed with a soldering process, and placement must have the ability to withstand vibration, mechanical shock, thermal cycling, and even the assembly process. Over time, when a device fails, an inspection might reveal a worn or cracked solder joint. When a solder joint cracks, a deeper investigation could reveal the root cause, which might require a simple method to repair the device. Solder joints are eutectic alloys that could crack for several possible reasons. The root causes of a cracked solder joint could be mechanical, thermal, or chemical, and the failure can take a significant amount of time to manifest itself. In this TV power board that I opened, we can see cold solder and cracked solder in different parts of the board, which caused the TV to automatically turn off when it was on. At this stage, I recharge and solder all bases of the parts to be sure. Together, we will see the steps of charging and soldering the bases. Always remember that one of the general defects of all electronic devices can be cracked solder or cold solder. I'm still charging and soldering all bases. Don't forget to clean the board. If the work is not done properly, it will cause the part to join together over time, because the oil on the board will attract dust and dirt on the board, and this itself will be the main cause of the failure. Good luck, surely you can be a professional repairman.